Hey there! In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of rotating text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started! In the PowerPoint application, you can type the text that you want to rotate. As an example I'm going to use is text wipe tutorials. And then you can see at the top options, there's a word format. Click it. And then you will find word rotate at the upper columns. When you click it, there would be another option that will appear, which is rotate right 90 degrees, rotate left 90 degrees, flip vertical, and flip horizontal. Then you can place your mouse cursor into the different options that you want to choose on what direction you want your text to be positioned. It will change automatically on what option you placed your cursor. And there are two more other ways how you can rotate your text. By clicking the More Rotation options, another column in the right side of your screen will appear. You can see there is a rotation option that you can simply use to rotate your text by adding a degree number on its right square with a 0 degree inside, by simply clicking that up and down button. The other option on how you can rotate your text easily is just by simply clicking and hold the circle arrow at the top of your text and moving it circularly. And if you already found the right position for your text, you can just simply release your mouse. That's it! It's really easy, right? I hope you enjoyed learning how to rotate text in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting video tutorials. Thank you for watching.